Welcome back Python developers. So if you are new to here, I am Sakshi Kushwaha and I am starting a new journey of Python with you guys. So in the first video, we are going to answer some fundamental questions like why Python, what Python is used for, and advantages of Python, and little bit about the history of Python, and absolutely I will guide you about the installation of Python. So let's start. Python is a Swiss army knife for every programmer. So it's a powerful, flexible and easy to learn. That's why Python is everywhere. So whether you are a beginner or advanced coder, Python has always something to give you. Well, so what is Python used for? So you can build dynamic websites, analyze massive data sets, creating chatbots, and automate boring tasks, and even control robots. Yeah, so the possibilities are endless. So that's why Python is so popular. You can do anything with Python, not anything, but most of the things are done with Python. Like for developing websites, Python is there. For web scraping, Python is there. For handling the large data set, Python is there. Data engineering, machine learning, deep learning, automation, and it also used for developing social media websites like Instagram, Facebook. Even NASA is also used Python. So I think I don't need to discuss advantages of Python with you guys. I think you already know about a lot of things of Python. Like Python is very easy and it is like an English language and very like flexible for beginners, and it provides a lot of it has a lot of applications like web development, game development, and the possibilities are endless. So before moving to installation, let's discuss about some history of Python. So Python was created in the late 80s by Guido von Rossum. So and it was released in 1991. So Guido's aim was to create a language that prioritized the code readability and simplicity. So that's why Python is so simple. And Python is based on a British show which is known as Monty Python, I think. So that show is very favorite of Guido von Rossum, sorry. So that's why this is like, it's not based on any snake or anything, any anaconda. It's based on that British show, and it officially released in 1991. So since then Python has evolved through various different versions, with the latest being Python 3, and each version brings improvement and new features. So now let's get you set up with Python on your computer. So you just have to just write in any browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser, python.org, or you can simply type Python download. And then this is the first official website of Python, which is python.org. So from this website you can collect any information. There is a documentation of Python, community is there, and news, events, all the things. It is an official website. So here, this is the latest version of your Python, which is 3.11.5, and choose this Python on basis of your operating system. Either it is Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, or any other OS. So I have to just click it, download Python here, and then it says this is the 5th release of maintenance. Yeah, so here it is saying Windows installer 64-bit. So I am just going to install this. So after successfully downloaded, you have to just write here open, and then you got this interface. So you have to just choose customize installation, so that you can customize on your own needs. And these are the some features which comes with this Python. This is the documentation. We have to just check it. Documentation, pip. So pip is for installing packages. So if you just want to install any package, you have to just write pip install and then the name of module or package. And this is the ideally or install kit incur. Ideally development means like code editor is there, and this Py launcher, and we have to just check it for all users, because we just want to give access for all users. and then check on next, and here add Python to environment variables. Yes, like it is automatically done. So in your system anywhere, in any location you have to access Python. So I only check this and associate files with files with Python, so that it you don't need to write every time .py file. You have to just write the name and it automatically takes .py launcher. And here I'm just clicking here install. So it is installing. It start installing, and just wait for some time, guys. So after installation, this is the interface. Setup was successful. So then you have to just close it and open your CMD, which is command prompt. CMD. Yeah. And for checking, verifying if Python is successfully installed or not, you have to check the Python version. So I'm just writing here Python --version. So it gives 3.11.5. So it says Python is installed successfully. So if we just want to run any Python statement from command line, so buckle your hands. We are just going to start our first line in Python, or like print hello world in first program in Python with the help of just command line. So I'm just writing here Python. Yeah, so now you are inside the Python, and then suppose that I just want to, the first line of every single program or in any language, the first program is print hello world. So I'm just writing here print, and for printing any line in Python you have to just write print statement, print and then bracket, and then if you just want to print any string, then you have to just give double quotes. So I'm just writing here hello world. Yeah, and no need to write any semicolon or anything. You have to just enter. Here you got your output hello world. So this is our first program, like this is our first line, first program of hello world in Python. So you are inside the Python, you can just write anything, like suppose that if you just want to print here print knowledge puzzle, and then hit enter. It gives the output knowledge puzzle. Okay, so this is how you can print any statement. If you just want to print any number, then you have to just write print 2. Here it gives true. So this is how you can print anything in Python with the help of command line. This is the first way of running Python by a single statement. There is a exe in Python also, so with the help of command line or from the Python exe learn command. And yeah, so this is Python exe. So it is same as command line. So you have to just write here print hello world. Here also hello world. Sorry, something wrong here. Yeah, it gives hello world. So this is how you can print any statement in Python, and this is how you can set up your Python. So it is very simple. You have to just download Python from python.org website according to your either your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. My system is 64-bit in Windows, so I installed this with. You can choose any like any version, whatever you want, but I recommend you to install this latest version of Python. And in the next video we will discuss different type of IDLEs and how to make calculator, like how to work as a calculator inside the Python or inside the command line. And we work with Visual Studio Code, PyCharm. We discuss what is PyCharm, what is Visual Studio Code, and how to run command line and how to run a script file. Like here we only just learn run a single statement, but what if you have a program of 10 line or 100 line or 1000 lines, so you have to just make a script file which extension is .py file. So we will discuss in our later videos. So till then, take care, and if you think this video is helpful for you, then press that like button, subscribe the channel, and press that notification bell so that you won't miss any update. So till then, take care, bye bye.